It's the 4th of July. I'm Joseph, this is Input English. I'm in a park, you can see that. Beautiful green grass, very manicured park. They put a lot of work into making this park look nice. We're next to a freeway. My noise cancellation system will probably filter out the sounds of the freeway noise, but it's pretty loud. It's the 4th of July at the time of this recording. However, I don't publish these videos on the same day that I record them, so you will probably be seeing this a few days later. I'm here today because it is the 4th of July, and as you may know, the 4th of July is how we celebrate the independence of the United States from England. So I park over on this side of the freeway because it's very convenient. Parking in the area of the other park on the other side of the freeway is pretty difficult. So I'm now crossing Highway 85. It's incredibly loud, but we will get to test my noise cancellation system and see if I can mitigate some of this highway noise. I don't have a decibel meter, so I don't know how loud it was, but my goodness, it was loud. Now we're coming down on the other side. This is the Kevin Moran Park. It's a city park in the town of Saratoga, California. Saratoga is one of the many cities that make up the San Jose area. It's a prosperous area that benefits from its proximity to Silicon Valley. There's a lot of technology in this area and thus a lot of prosperity. This park is also very well manicured. They put a lot of expense and effort into maintaining this park and making it beautiful. This is going to be the site of the city's 4th of July celebration. 4th of July is one of many national holidays, and it is usually very non-commercialized. You may see some sales promotions talking about a 4th of July sale, but it's not historically a huge consumer-oriented holiday. Usually it's very apolitical. Usually people celebrate the independence of the United States, the freedoms we enjoy, and those who fought to maintain those freedoms in previous wars. This celebration will be attended by perhaps 1,000 people. I've been participating in this for about 10 years now, although there were several years during the pandemic that they did not have this gathering. It was deemed too dangerous. But we're back in the post-pandemic era, and we're going to have a big celebration. The city officials will give presentations from a microphone, and then children will be dressed up as historical figures. The Boy Scouts will handle the flags, and all of this is going to be supported by a volunteer band. So the volunteer band will have anywhere from 75 to 120 people. To my eye, it looks like a logistical nightmare, which was gladly taken on by a friend of mine. He does this every year. He sets up links so that we can download the music that we are to play during this session. Luckily, we're in the shade while we're playing. Right now, it's not very hot, but in the next hour, it will get hot. So as I turn around, you can see the shade they've set up for the visitors, for people watching the celebration, and then the tent put up for the band. People are just arriving, setting up their music stands, getting ready, and the band director will call the band to order in the next 20 minutes or so. So I need to go back to the car and get my instrument. This is where I'm coming, to that tent. This is a candid photograph of the band from my seat in the tuba section. Over 100 people came today to participate in this band. We had 2 vocalists as well. I didn't choose to make any video during the concert for a very simple reason. I didn't have permission to do so. These people came together to form a band and perform in public in Saratoga. They did not come together to become part of a YouTube video. In other words, I didn't have their permission to make video during the concert. So out of respect, I did not make any video. If you would like to sample some of the music that we played, I would direct your attention to any of the John Philip Sousa marches, and those are easy to access on YouTube. Stars and Stripes Forever, Semper Fidelis, The Thunderer, and many other fine Sousa marches. The band played for over an hour and a half. It sounded great, and the reception of the band music by the audience was very positive. The concert has just finished up. People are packing up and going home. This year's celebration was well attended. There were a lot of people. The music was good. I intended on recording more video before the concert, but I ran into a fellow at the car and we had a long conversation about things that we had in common in the past. So we're done for this year. I'm going to walk back to the car. You can see that I have a thing on my back. I have a big backpack, and that's the case for the tuba. I brought a relatively lighter tuba today because of the distance walking back to the car. I also have a music stand because that was something we needed to bring. So time to go to the car and head on home. I invite comments below, and if you like videos like this, be sure to click on this one next. See you soon.